Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Andri Punamajati and this is Group 8 and we are going to make a presentation about perspective on opportunities in biotechnology industry in renewable chemicals. Industrial biotechnology encompasses the application of biotechnology-based tools to traditional industrial process or bioprocessing and the manufacturing of bio-based products such as fuels, chemicals, and plastic from renewable feedstocks. Microbes, microorganisms, enzymes, and their genetic engineering form the basis of a suite of technologies and process that a diverse group of companies, researchers, and scientists are seeking to develop for commercial use. We have evolved in manipulating genome such as for industrial purpose, also developing safer process and clean and cost-effective. A lot of industrial experts interested to this, and now the number of companies based on biotechnology is growing as an entry point to build the bio-based economy. Microbial processes are familiar too. There are many examples of microbial process and renewable agriculture materials used in producing material goods, including like cheese making or fermentations. As progress, scientists able to expand the application and engineering of microbes and enzymes into a broader variety of industrial processes. Also, this process is more efficient, such as reducing carbon, producing a lot of products that change industrial production, and new techniques that speed up the development and commercialization of industrial biotech process. Many, but not all, industrial biotechnology applications involve the harnessing of nature's enzymes. Industrial biotechnology can use extracted enzymes or whole cell systems to accomplish a task. The recent and dramatic advance in biotechnology techniques are why so many biocatalytic tools are becoming available to be used in industrial application. Industrial biotechnology finds a home enabling the biorefinery. Biorefineries are dedicated facilities that convert the sugars, oils, and proteins derived from renewable biomass into biofuels, chemicals, and materials such as plastic and polymers. The purpose is to develop as much as possible product and value streams as possible from biomass. This optimization and efficiency is important for economic and environmental sustainability. Biorefineries must seek to maximize the use of biomass, recycle waste streams as input for new product streams, and utilize heat from primary processes as energy for secondary processes. Biotech routes to a wide array of chemical products are being developed for integration into biorefineries, allowing for diversification of product and value streams.
Okay, the next topics I will explain number 4 initial estimates for value at chemical from biomass. In 2004, the use Department of Energy (GOE) undertook an initial screening and categorization of co-production of renewable chemicals as biofuel and bioenergy by streams. The product of choice for biorefinery is limited to compounds with 3 to 6 carbon molecular chains that are derived quickly from sugars in biomass capable of lowering industrial ecology. Okay, the next topics number 5 size and potential market value for from chemicals. 2010, the report from the World Economic Forum estimates that by 2020, the market for biofuels, bulk chemicals, and bio-based plastics and bioprocess processing enzymes will approach US dollar 19.5 billion. Market success and failure demonstrates the which competitiveness and performance are as important as market success and as environmental sustainability. Okay, the next topics I will explain number 6 success stories bio-based products that are commercial on a large scale. Number 8 polyhydroxyl canoat PHE. Another examples of a commercial successful bio-derived polyester plastics is the biodegradable PEA. Number B polylactic acid PLA. PLA is a product that currently has the highest potential due to its availability in the market and its low price. The success of all of this consists of the 3 factors. Number 1 economy, number 2 performance, and number 3 environmental factors.
Okay, I'm Siti Nur Inayati from Group A. Here, I will explain about near-term opportunities bioconversion replace chemical processes. Bio-based products fall into 3 categories. First, commodity chemical, second, specialty chemical, and third is material. Bio-based chemical production use metabolic engineering to construct organisms that make high value, high purity, renewable sugar-based chemical. Example of bio-based chemical with a short-term scale, namely 1-succinic acid. Succinic acid is used in the chemical, pharmaceutical, and agricultural industries. Its application is a flavor, dye, and perfume. This company is Myran BioAmber DSM produce succinic acid biochemically from glucose using a genetically engineering organism. 2. Acetic acid. Recencism in a developer of biorefineries for the conversion of renewable biomass into fuels and chemical has produced bio-based acetic acid using an ectogen. These advances in bio-based chemical production illustrate that attention among developers of cellulosic biomass. The concern of biomass developer is to shift from ethanol to higher industrial chemical. Okay, next I will explain about value-added bio-based chemical in the future, driven by biosynthetic. Recent advances in metabolic engineering and biochemical pathway analysis make it possible to efficiently manipulate the biosynthetic pathway of microorganisms. Manipulate it by using functional genomic and genetic engineering. This is increased yield and chemical selectivity, which make microbial production more economically competitive using traditional production method. The added value of bio-based chemical in the future will generate potential. The potential for added value of bio-based chemical in the future, namely, for example, first is polypropylene. Polypropylene is a chemical applied in the manufacture of plastic. One company that uses the polypropylene as a bio-based chemical in the future is Novazim. Second is adipic acid. Adipic acid is a potential value-added bio-based chemical used in the manufacture of fiber and plastic. Then the third is hyaluronic acid. This hyaluronic acid is used in the manufacture of acrylic, textile, coating, and detergent. Okay, next, I will explain about the future of industrial biotechnology, challenges and opportunities. A wide range of bio-based industrial product and technology continues to penetrate diverse industrial market. Example of various industrial products that penetrate industrial market are bioethanol. In addition, other chemical derived from fermentable sugar have served as major precursor in the market for other industrial chemical traditionally depend on petroleum. There are now plenty of examples of industry not only employing bioproduct. There are now industry does not only use bioproduct, but the industry creates more demand for bioproduct and new product. For example, the maturation of bioplastic from the laboratory bench to large-scale production is finding new industry customer, electronic industry. A number of hurdles need to be addressed to fully realize the commercial potential of bio-based product and chemical over the coming decade. Obstacles in the commercial potential of bio-based industrial product must be overcome, one of which is by means of cost-effective solutions.